Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will talk to you about weekly analysis. This means that after the market is closed on Saturday and Sunday, the market will run continuously from Monday to Friday. By watching this video, you can learn about market movement in this week and you can learn market analysis. We uploaded many videos on weekly analysis. There are many positive comments from you and many have requested to share weekly analysis every week. Your comments are also very valuable to us. So this week we came up with another analysis. So those who want to see different type of strategy or analysis, please watch this playlist. Here you will find awesome strategies and analysis. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. The first pair I will discuss today is called GBP USD, and now I am in 1 day time frame. You can see that I have drawn my analysis here for your convenience. As you can see here, I have drawn a trend line at the top and then drawn another trend line at the bottom, and the market is still in the trend line. Beside, you can see in this place that I have drawn two more trend line. First trend line is here and the other trend line is here. So there is a pattern has been created here. Beside, you can see I have drawn a resistance in this place. So it's expected that the market will come to this resistance level and go down again. And since there is a trend line, it's expected that the market will come up to this level and push up again. I am saying again, it's expected that the market will come to this resistance level and go down again. And the market is likely to come up to this trend line. And if the market breaks this trend line, then the market is likely to go down a lot. The analysis we did so far was on long time frame. Now we will show you the analysis in short time frame in exactly the same pair. Here you can see our analysis. Here the market is giving a signal to go down from this resistance level. So hopefully the market will come up to this trend line. আর অনেকেই প্রতিনিয়ত ফরেক্স বিডি অফিসিয়াল টিমকে প্রশ্ন করে যাচ্ছে ফরেক্স সিগন্যাল কিভাবে পাবে। ফরেক্স বিডি টিম এখন থেকে নিয়মিত একটি গ্রুপের সাথে চুক্তিবদ্ধ হিসেবে কাজ করছে, যেখানে বেশ কিছু ভালো গ্রুপের অ্যাডমিনরা সিগন্যাল প্রোভাইড করে থাকে। আপনারা ইচ্ছুক হলে আগে ফ্রি সিগন্যালগুলো অবশ্যই দেখুন, বুঝুন, তারপর অ্যাপ্লাই করুন। আশা করি বাংলাদেশি ফরেক্স ট্রেডাররা ইতিমধ্যে বুঝতে পেরেছেন ফরেক্স বিডি এর 10 পিপস 20 পিপস এসএল ভিত্তিক সিগন্যালের গুরুত্ব। যেহেতু এই গ্রুপে অনেক গ্রুপ অ্যাডমিনরা সিগন্যাল প্রোভাইড করে থাকে, তাই আমি ব্যক্তিগতভাবে অনুরোধ করব কম এসএল ভিত্তিক সিগন্যালগুলো ফলো করুন এবং অ্যাপ্লাই করুন। ফরেক্স বিডি এই গ্রুপে কাজ করে মাত্র, এই গ্রুপের ওনার নয়। তাই ভবিষ্যতের কোনো প্রকার ভুলে ফরেক্স বিডি কোনোভাবেই দায়ী থাকবে না। তাই অবশ্যই আগে ফ্রি সিগন্যালগুলো দেখুন, যদি আপনার ভালো লাগে তারপর জয়েন করুন এবং লো এসএল ভিত্তিক সিগন্যাল ব্যবহার করুন। Next, USD CAD. In this pair, we are in day 1 time frame. You can see we have drawn the analysis. First, you can see we have given a trend line here, then we have drawn another trend line below. So you can see that the market is now in this channel. Moreover, as you can see in this place, we have drawn two trend line. Here is a trend line, then another trend line in this place. Moreover, in this place, you can see we have drawn a resistance, and market has been on a downtrend for a long time. So hopefully the market will came up and push down. I say again, the market is in this place now, and hopefully the market will come to this resistance level and go down again. And there is a trend line in this place and there is a support zone below, so there is a possibility that the market will push this place. Now we will go short time frame. Here you can see our analysis. So in this place you can see the position of the market clearly. The market is trading up for a short time, so we are getting a resistance line, so the market is expected to push down from this place and go down again. Since we are getting two signal from here, so the market will go down from here. The chance of getting down are much higher. Next, Euro CHF. Now we are in 1 day time frame. You can see that we have done the analysis for the convenience of your understanding, and you can see the market has been on a downtrend for a long time, and then a lot has gone uptrend, and currently there is a channel in the market. You can see I have drawn two trend line here. The first is in this place, then we draw the second trend line in this place. Moreover, you can see that a small pattern has been created in the market. In this small pattern, we have drawn in a trend line. The market has hit this trend line twice, and it's expected that the market will touch the trend line at the third time and go down. Here you may not understand exactly that I am taking you to the short time frame. So in this place you can see that our analysis is very nicely arranged, and you can see our two of trend line. Here is the first trend line at the top, then the second trend line at the bottom. So the market hit the trend line first time, then market hit the trend line second time, and hopefully the market will hit the trend line for the third time and go down, and there will be a downtrend from the market for a long time. So you can wait for this point. Our next pair is USD JPY. Here you can see that the market has been on a downtrend for a long time and still on a downtrend. You can see that we have drawn a support here and then resistance at the top, and here you can see our two trend line. We draw the first trend line from here and we draw the second trend line in this place, and our expectation is that the market will come to this support level and push upward. Moreover, we are getting a trend line, so we are currently getting two signals. Firstly, we are getting support here, and secondly we are getting trend line. So hopefully the market will push from this place and go up again. In short time frame, you can see the market has touched the trend line twice, so hopefully the market will go up after touching the trend line third time. Our next pair is USD CAD. At the moment we are in long time frame, that means we are in 1 day time frame, and we have done market analysis, and you can see that our two trend line have been drawn. Moreover, in the middle we have drawn two more trend line. Here is a trend line, then here is the another trend line. Now we are going to the short time frame to show it to you in a clear way. So you can see the position of the market here, and hopefully the market will come from the current position to this trend line. I say again, hopefully the market will come from the current position to this trend line. And today's last pair is NZD CHF. In this pair we are now in long time frame, that means we are now in 1 day time frame, but we are going to a short time frame to better understand to you. Here you can see there is a resistance level above, then we have drawn two trend line. This is our first trend line, then this is our second trend line, and the market now has a nice placement. That means the market has pushed down our resistance and moved downtrend. So hopefully the market will be on a downtrend for a long time. I would say again that the market has moved downtrend, pushing the trend line and resistance in this place, and hopefully the market will be on a downtrend for a long time. So viewers, hopefully you can understand this analysis clearly. I hope this video will help you a lot. And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The FOREX BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Nadala account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.